In 12.0.1, we have done various improvements for Nuxt client. Now we'll walk you through the major highlights of this release. The first one that we'll look at is the Workspace Improvement. In V12, we introduced a new workspace design. As a continuous improvement, in 12.0.1, we get the icons for database provided by HCL with a new look. The icons are now updated from 32x32 to 64x64. Then how about database with your own icons? Let's try it out and see how it will look like. Now I will click on another workspace page and move the database to this demo workspace. This is how it looks like for hybrid icons. Other than workspace, we also made a crucial improvement for calendar. Scheduling an online meeting is much easier than before with our new feature, Domino Online Meeting Integration Domi. Thomas, my colleague, just sent me an email saying that we should make a recording for this amazing feature. Let me just navigate to the calendar form and see how Domi will help. Domi allows users to schedule an instant meeting with various online meeting vendors, including GoToMeeting, Microsoft Teams, Webex, Zoom, and SameTime. And here you can see the list of vendors that I just mentioned. This time I will go for GoToMeeting. By putting my personal credentials, it will take me to the authentication page, where I will get my token. And now, I can copy and paste the token back to my Nuxt client. Nuxt client will then inform me whether this is valid or not. Now I'm able to add an instant meeting for my discussion with Thomas. And you can see GoToMeeting is just in the drop-down menu. I'm going to send out this invite and switch back to my calendar. This is the event that I have just created, and you can see the GoToMeeting link is right there. The whole setup took me less than 60 seconds to complete. Try it out today and I'm sure you'll love this feature because it makes your work easier. Of course, this is not the only great feature that we have in this release. By working with Panagender, we introduced the Advanced Property box in 12.0.1 for users and admins to check the fields and values of a document. This feature will help facilitate the work process for admin. Last but not least, for the archive capability, we also made an improvement here. You can now restore an archived mail back to your inbox. I hope you will like our new features in 12.0.1 and provide us feedback in this beta.